Do, 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 do.
We have an array of dancing people.
Oh. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. I'm too lazy to get off Hydra. So. And Leech is here too. Oh.
Oh,
dang
Ryan is also here.
Yeah. Yeah, Ryan's here too. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Okay.
First, gold. Gems.
A gem?
A gem. Cotton. Wood. Iron. Taming orb.
Now I have 66 gems.
Nice.
I got the Pentaloosa! It's so pretty!
Get it, get it, get it.
I can't. I don't know what to name it.
Oh, what should we name it? I would name it Luna, but you already have a horse named Luna.
I do already have. Where is it? Anyway. Oh my gosh, it's Fest Horse. There we go. That's a good name. Hello? There it is. It's in bad spot.
Milky Way?
I like that name. Milky Way. Or just Milky? No, Milky Way.
Yeah.
Milky for short. Oh my gosh. Okay. Milky Way. It's so cute.
Ah!
Oh, I love it.
It's amazing.
I have 66 gems. Look how pretty. You know, a few days ago, I had 2 million, but then I spent over 100,000 on pet training. Yeah, it was a fun week for pet training last week. I guess you can't see. I'm so happy. I love this horse. So now I have 3 club horses, 2 Frisians, this one, but none of them are Pegasi.
That's bad luck.
It's bad luck.
I'm joking.
I love it so much. I'm gonna like run. Bye, everyone. Run. Oh. Lag. Okay. Run.
Run.
Okay. Run. Excuse.
Sorry.
Run.
Run.
Run. Excuse. Run. Oh, look at Leech. He's falling behind. Oh, lag.
Run.
He's like,
Run.
you can't.
Run.
He's gonna go so far.
Run.
Excuse me now. I'm just trying.
Oh.
Run.
Run.
Run. Okay, that's it. Bye.
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 Bye.